Sewer camera inspection at 18611 North 22nd Street, unit number 23. There's two ABS cleanouts on the north side of this property, right next to each other by the sidewalk. We're going to go down the east one first, so the one on the left side. I do have the water running in the shower in the primary bathroom, just to help give us some direction and some flow in the pipe. It's like the ABS pipe goes down right here. This looks like a vertical drop. When I get water in front of the camera lens, it's usually vertical, and then we go back to horizontal down here at the bottom. And you see the different material pipe there. The orange is clay pipe from the city, so that's fine. We're not responsible for anything past that line between the ABS and the clay. So your pipes are black ABS with a little bit of debris built up on them. It's typical of a drain pipe of this age to have a little bit of gunk, and it's just routine maintenance to get that hydrojetted out. Just basically a power washer on the inside of the drain pipes. Go down the other hole, which is located on the top of the screen right there, and go the other direction underneath the house. We have another connection. It's likely from the kitchen or laundry room that ties into the main lateral here. This is still ABS pipe with a little bit of gunk on it. That white mark on the side of the pipe is the high water mark, so that's just telling me the water has been that high in the pipe sometime in the past. It might have been a clog, it might have been a plug, it could have been some roots in the line. I don't see anything that would have slowed down the water today and caused that back up. And the water's flowing great today. We have another connection. And we're going to try and make our way back to the primary shower. Another connection there, likely goes into the hall bath, and then this is going to go back to the primary shower. See, there's some crud on the top of the pipe there that should be cleaned off. It builds up over time. It's not going to stop anything though, it's on the top of the pipe. And then this is your shower drain right there. Definitely got some gunk on the top of the pipe right there. It's a scale, just built up deposits that can be cleaned out. It's not going to cause you any problems right now at the top of the pipe though. Sometimes that stuff can fall down and then you have a clog because that stuff gets stuck in the pipe. It's such a big piece. So your drain line looks good today, other than some of that gunk built up on the side of the pipe. So we just would recommend a plumber come in and do some hydrojet maintenance to clear this pipe out a little bit. Just make sure everything's nice and clean. If you have any questions about this sewer camera inspection, get a hold of me, Home Inspector Dan, with Property Inspections Plus, or your inspector, Mr. Nick Alati, with Alati Inspection Service.